Hey everyone, it's Chris from FlagHouse, and this week I'm here with Coach John Smith to look at one of the games he invented. This is Skill Trac.
Taking a giant pipeline, a cooperative and competitive game that has 6 different sets to it and 6 different ways to play. Fantastic game for large groups.
So we've got Skill Tracs coming up next, and hey, if you like ideas like this, we have the channel for you. Make sure you're subscribing to the FlagHouse Activity Channel. We always have brand new ideas every single week. Coming up next, it's Skill Tracs on the FlagHouse Activity Channel.
Okay, so what I need to do to get started is some of us are going to go to the other side of the Skill Trac, hold on to it right by a number somewhere. So you're either on this side by a number or that side by a number, okay? Lift it up. Now our first skill is going to be very simple. We're just going to roll it from one end to the other without it going off the end. So make sure that end doesn't go down. Okay, our first skill, just the roller. Ready? Whoa, 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 whoa. We gotta have to practice. There you go, back down. All the way down to the end, all the way down, all the way down. And back, and back. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. Here it comes, here it comes. Whoa, yeah. Okay, now, since we know how to go back and forth, I'm gonna give you the numbers we gotta get it to. Here we go. Make it roll, make it roll. Has to touch 2. 2. Got it, 8. 7. 1. Ooh, 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 ooh. Got it, 1, 9, 9. 9's down here by Peyton. He's got it, he's got it. He's got, oh yes, yes. Not bad at all, not bad at all. What would happen if we connected this one to another one? It would make it longer, wouldn't it? So, can you go over and get the yellow one that's up there? Oh man, it's gonna be teamwork now. Ready? Here it comes, here it comes, here it comes, here it comes. Yeah, good save. Oh, we almost had the save. Let's try again. 9, hold that 9, there you go. Hold that 9 up a little higher. Here it comes, here it comes, here it comes. Oh yes, oh yes. How we doing? Yes, all the way down. Everybody got their arms spread out a little longer? I need more. Oh, Hugo's got to, oh, we got the hardest job. Are we ready? Here it comes. Yes, we got it. Come on, team, come on, team.
Bring it down.
Come on, team.
Bring it down.
Come on, it's going. It's going. Come on, we got it. Get it to Peyton. Yes. Well, the Skill Trac also comes with connectors for the middle. So if you want to have it go in different directions rather than all in one direction, you could have a triangle. So they would connect that way, and we'd have one coming from one side and one coming from the, and 3 sides coming into the middle, then the ball is going back out again. Or maybe we could do it in a giant. So there's 4 sides, so 4 Skill Tracs put together. We could have 4 of them. How is the Skill Trac? Good, moves pretty fast, doesn't it? Very good, and that's our Skill Trac Deluxe.